Hi, I'm back working on my house. I'm taking a little break from doing my bedroom floor, and I'm working on the bathroom now. I had this big cabinet on the wall that I didn't like at all. It was part of an old cabinet and light combination that was probably from one of the major home stores, and it was just too big for this wall, and it stuck out way too much, so it was a headbanger. I hit my head when I was trying to brush my teeth in the sink, so I unscrewed it and I took it down. This is what it looked like. It was really big. It has these mirrors, the mirror front on it, and I'm going to replace it with either a smaller framed, mirror framed medicine cabinet or just a mirror. It is nice to have at least a small medicine cabinet, but I didn't want one anywhere near this big. And this mirror is actually still in really good shape. And I think I will donate it to the Goodwill or to a thrift store, local thrift store, because it is actually in really good shape, and it could be hung up either vertically the way it's standing or horizontally, and somebody could use that on the back of a fireplace, or perhaps on a shelf, and I think it would look really nice. So I believe I will donate that. And let's see, I took out the shower door, and I am going to eventually take out this bathtub and shower surround and replace it with either a shower with a low edge, or else I may just replace the entire bathroom by expanding it through this wall. My driveway is on the other side of this, and there's lots of room, so I could do that. This bathroom is very small. It's being taken up by this large cabinet. It's very handy to have, but I wouldn't have put in one quite this large, I don't think, because there is a hall cabinet, and this one takes up an awful lot of room. I believe that I will paint this bathroom using Behr paint. I have Noble Blush color from Dynasty Marquis, one coat line, and I think that'll be really pretty. It's about the same color as the Meyer's Rose Scent hand soap bottle. And I will paint behind the mirror and this whole wall, and I might even do the entire bathroom in that color because I like it, and I'm going to be here a long time. I may not even ever move from this house, so I'm thinking about doing that. And I just like that pink color. I think it would go well with my decorations. This is a little picture. This was Bessie Pease Gutman did this in the 1800s. This is a tile copy of her picture called The Butterfly. It shows a little cherub child looking at a butterfly. Way back in the 1800s, they believed that if a child died young, they would be a cherub. And here it looks like they believed that a cherub even came to visit the earth, and a butterfly was a sign that they were near. So that's kind of interesting piece of history to me. And then I just have little touches of decorations up here just to make the house more cheerful while I'm waiting to redo it, because it's in such a state of disarray, and it's going to be that way for a little while. This is a little tile picture by a lady. Her company on Etsy is called Fadenrot. It's German, and I'll link that in the description if anybody's interested. I actually like this picture so much that I contacted her and asked her if she would make this in a larger either canvas print or even painted on wood, because I think that would be so nice to have in another room, because this is a tiny little tile, only about maybe 3 something or 4 inches, 4 by 4. It's small, and I'd like to have a bigger one. And then this is a tin, printed tin from Temu, and I just really like this picture, so I ordered one. Let me tell you something about ordering tin pictures from Temu. You don't want to order just one. You want to order a whole stack of them. You know, of course, you can choose the different prints they have, and they're very nice. But if you order one, it will come in a thin package and very likely end up very bent. And so you don't want to just order one. But they are very nice and they're inexpensive. I like this one so much, I'm thinking about framing it, and I'll probably put it up here and move this little hanger someplace else. And then just to add a little touch of cheerfulness, I put these little birds in here that came from eBay. There's another one. And there's a candle that came from Big Lots. And this is Claire Burke, the Claire Burke Company, which has been around since at least the 70s, maybe longer. And this is their original potpourri scent, and I really love it because it has a nice spicy floral scent, but not heavily cinnamon. So it makes the bathroom or bedroom smell very nice. And what I do is just put a few drops on this poof heart, and it makes this room smell really wonderful. So that's available, or the Claire Burke scented oil. It's very concentrated, and that's available on Amazon. So I just thought I'd show you guys what I'm doing here. And then my next project will be painting this bathroom. I'll probably paint these cabinets very similar, antique white, probably a semi-gloss, a satin would be good to finish it. Well, it makes it a lot more interesting to fix this house and do these videos knowing that there are people and friends who are watching. And I just want to say thank you very much for being here and watching this today.